Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has once again ruled out a probe into the serious allegations of illegal transportation of coal to Bangladesh through Kasaupara, even as businessman from Assam Balwant Soni has come under the scanner for his alleged involvement in the matter. Reacting to a query on Friday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that all the movement of coal takes place with documentation. He, however, said that if any allegations are made and if communicated to the government, it will be examined. Asserting that Assam has not communicated anything to the government, the Chief Minister said that he cannot make a statement on the matter without going into the details.
All kinds of movements, I will be very clear, all kinds of movements that take place, we've ensured that all documentation and paperwork is there. If there are any cases, any allegations that are there, any kind of concerns from any government, if there is a communication made to us officially that these kind of things are happening, then definitely we will get it examined. But I'm just hearing from press and from all of you regarding this. So it's allegations which could just come out. It's really something I cannot respond to without really seeing the facts. And as I said, the government of Assam also communicated anything was in that aspect.
Nongpor MLA Meryl Bond's aim has reminded